look like they're fading, don't look like they're ever gone away. They ain't never gonna change these battles. Growing up I had...
It's your brother here today. You're wondering what the hell I've been. Sick, and I've been busy. And right now I'm just making a vlog because I'm really bored. And I figured, since I told you guys, look, we're going to make a gaming system. Well, I guess I'll go get the gaming system set up and I'll get this stuff ready. And I'm going to build the desk out with you guys. So I'm going to go take my thing out, my phone charger. And my phone's at like 4%, so who cares really? And yeah, we're going to get this on vlog and camera times. I'm going to get this light off. And you guys didn't know we got the gaming PC downstairs, so I could get it and all that. It's like right down here. Sorry for the terrible lighting. And my dad's here. I think we have to leave soon. But here is the PC and all that. I gotta take this stuff upstairs and we're gonna set it up. Yeah, let's get it going right now. Okay, so right now we're just gonna get the PC set up. So all we have to do is just plug it in to this guy over here, and we're gonna get all this connected and get it all wired up, because you can kind of see I have a lot of cords on this freaking huge TV, so I'm gonna get that ready for us. So yeah, this time, like really I would just say roll the time lapse, but I'm just gonna say how many chats I want to get all these cords in. So yeah, let's go do that right now. Yeah, here's all the cabling and stuff. I'm gonna fix that all in a couple minutes. You can see the keyboard back there, this little thing. Yeah, I'm throwing this away probably and getting a new one. So this guy's gonna be going in that mouse right there, trying to get it on the right angle. And yeah, that's all going, and I'm gonna get like a new finer mouse from Walmart that's actually pretty good. Like one of my friends got one, his is still working. Like he says the scroll wheel actually works and it's really good, and the keyboard he has is wild. So yeah, I'm gonna try finding one of those, but I'm doing it at Walmart. So yeah, I'm gonna get this all cleaned up and get this all cleared out, and yeah, I'm gonna get some stuff done. I'll see you guys in a couple of minutes. Finished the whole desk. It is ready. And this is what it looks like right now. And I do got this up. And I am going to get another LED thing. So like, I'm going to get a keyboard. The mouse. This is definitely going. I'm going to get a better from the company this. Because they have better mouses. This is an office mouse. I'm not going to lie, that was an office mouse. This is the office keyboard. I'm going to switch out both of them. I told you guys right now. I'm gonna get a new one like in the next couple of days or so, weeks. I have to earn my money. I don't just get it. Okay? Yeah, I'm gonna try the website on here so I can change this to different colors and try that out. I don't know. And I'm gonna bring out my gaming chair and all that. So this is the end of this video. Like and subscribe, turn your post notification on. Hope you guys like this video. I told you this is a real PC. This is a real PC. Look at this man. This man's running on like a lot of freaking stuff right there and all that information, okay? So yeah, that's the end of this video. See you guys in the next video. Peace the heck out. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.